Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you'd like to see how I changed this beautiful model from this to this lovely subtle bridal look, then stay tuned. So basically, she had never had her brows groomed or shaped or anything whatsoever, and she was very anxious of me doing it. So I thought, okay, I'm just gonna literally, I hardly done anything, let me not even lie. I took off about 3 or 4 strands of hair on each brow, and I just called it a day because I just don't want to do anything that is gonna, you know, cause any problems. So I first went in with my Morphe Brow Gel to set the hairs in place, and then I went in to shape or just thicken her brows. I think in hindsight I could have done her brows a little less thick, but yeah, she liked them, to be fair, because she, like I said, she'd never had them shaped or anything, so she was happy with it. But like, yeah, in hindsight, I'll probably, next time I use her as a model, I will definitely make them a little bit thinner. But anyway, whatever, it's all good. So yeah, there I am, just cleaning up her brows with I think I used LA Girl Proconceal in Toffee, because that's kind of her colour. And I don't usually clear the top as well, but I did on this occasion only because she had a few flyaway brows, so I just thought I'd conceal the top as well. There you saw me just trying to thin out the front of her brows a little bit to make it a lot more gradient. She has dry skin, so I went in with the Embryolisse Lait moisturizer. Sorry about the And guys, I don't know where the eyeshadow application video disappeared to, so we skipped that basically. But yeah, I did use Juvias Place, and yeah, I only used 3 shades, I think it is, to create the look. So yeah, I went in with Burberry's Almond for her cashmere foundation in Almond for her foundation. It was her perfect shade. Sorry, not cashmere. I went in with the hydrating one because, like I said, she's got dry skin. And then what I did after that is I went in with concealer. I went in with a mixture of Collections concealer with a bit of my slightly yellow toned The Ordinary foundation, because I felt like the Collections cream shade was a bit too white for her. So there you are, there I am even, just, you know, dabbing everything in place. I then went in with my foundation brush as per usual to mesh the highlighter with the foundation color as I usually do, just to create a flawless effect. Yeah, and so I'm just dabbing things in place. And then I went in, well, I was making sure there was no crease in her lines, and I went in with Laura Mercier translucent powder to set everything in place. Then to give her a little bit of a contour, I went in with the Toffee shade from LA Girl HD powder. And then what did I do next? So I'm just setting everything in place. And then I went in with I forgot what this is called, but it's the Juvias Place blusher. It's like an orangey salmon colour, which warms up dark skin so beautifully. She's not that dark, but it still gave her a lovely you know, look. Then I put a bit of highlighter, and then I was just moisturising her lips a little bit. Then I lined it with an Unbranded Burgandy pencil, as you do. That's what I'm just doing. Then I went in with my Burberry's lip contour, which I absolutely love. I think I said this before. I use it for quite a few looks because it's just such a good way of lining the lips and giving it more depth, especially if you want the ombre type of look. And then I went in with, I think it was Maybelline 24 hour stay liquid lip gloss, which literally is 24 hours. I can't even lie. That collection's, I don't know what they use, but you've got a proper scrub. Use a whole lot of oil to get that stuff off your lips. But anyway, I used it. Yeah, I'm just blending the lips liner in with the colour. That's what I'm doing. And then I think I thought, nah, you know what, I want a bit of lip gloss on this. So I slapped a little bit of clear lip gloss on there. Can't remember what brand it was. I think it was Revlon. I can't remember. But that's what I did. And I wasn't sure. Initially, I was going to leave her eyes. I wasn't going to put anything in her waterline. But then I thought, okay, let me put a little bit. And plus, because she tears up a lot. So initially, I gave up. And then I thought, you know what? I'm not going to let this small water come and disgrace me. So I went in again. And yeah, I smoked her eyes a little bit. Set everything in place with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. And that was it, really. That was what we did. And that's the final look. And this is how she looked before. She was beautiful before, and this is after. And yeah, it's a lovely, simple, wedding look. Like a nice wedding beach look, or just someone who doesn't really wear that much makeup and just wants a splash of colour or something different for their wedding. I think this is ideal. Just something simple, just enhance the beauty that they already have, really. So that's it, guys. I hope you like this video. Please comment, like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. See ya.